Imagine you are a worker on the shop floor thinking how to make manufacturing in Europe more competitive and flexible. Imagine how much more efficient it would be if you could work side by side with the robot. But the robot is bolted to the floor, blindfolded, and is only allowed to move or work when it's behind a steel fence. The ColRobot project brings the future of robotics to the factory today through the use of collaborative and mobile robots. ColRobots provide mobile manipulators that can safely reach any location in the factory floor, autonomy to grasp tools and parts and deliver them to the worker, flexibility to adjust to the manufacturing needs, safe and intuitive interfaces so the operators can interact and collaborate with robots in a shared workspace using it as a tool without programming. Two use cases in automobile and aerospace industry will be implemented on-site. ColRobot benefits the European industry by 1. Letting workers focus on the value-creating parts of their work. 2. Improving worker ergonomics. 3. Increasing flexibility and productivity. And 4. Promoting innovation by combining the abilities of humans and robots. ColRobot, the manufacturing assistant of the future.